Again, this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the pictures from the Riverside College Flickr page. So this is where if we take any pictures in college, any activities or your classes, they get loaded to our Flickr. It's kind of a bit like Instagram, but more private. So all you need to do, if you follow the screen, you go into Google Chrome or the internet, but I prefer Google Chrome. So click that one. Off we go. Okay, I'll go to the internet page, but we're just going to go in a minute's time straight to actual Google. So we're going to type in google.com. Google.com. Okay, when we're here, we're going to type in Riverside College, and we're after Flickr. So it's FL. Okay, and it might come up there. So there it is, Flickr, Riverside College Flickr. And that's what we're after. Okay, and this is where all the photos will be. We click it, and it's normally going to be the very first hit. Okay, make sure the website is the same name, so it's flickr.com. It's Riverside College Foundation Studies Flickr. So we click on it again. Loading. It's thinking about it. And then you may see some familiar faces. Here we go. Okay, so as you can see, lots of different pictures of all different times in work, staff meeting outside, got some kitchen lessons, some social times, which is fantastic. Now let's say you really like a picture. Let's say you like this one here. So you really like this picture, the staff doing some phrases and obviously a welcome message to new and old students. So we click on the picture and you really like this picture and you want to kind of save it and download it. All you need to do is there's a little icon here and it's an arrow pointing down to a line. And it obviously says download this picture. We click that picture and you can choose some options. Now, if your computer or phone has got loads of memory and is super good, you can go for original. But if you're a little bit conscious of the memory on your phone or your computer, then go for a bit smaller. Let's say the smaller you have it, the less memory it uses. Okay. So I'm just going to go with original. I click original. Okay, and there we go. If I can move myself, I think I can move a bubble out of the way. You can see it's now downloaded here as a picture, and that's yours to keep. Okay, you can add it to maybe your personal records, or your kind of any PowerPoints you're doing, or you want to maybe finish off your qual work. You can put it into your different pictures into your folder. Do that at home and stuff. But yeah, so that is our Flickr. Just to recap again, remember, we're going to go all the way to google.com, Riverside College, type in Flickr, should be number one. And there it is. And that's all you need to do. Okay. So yeah, if you feel like having a look at any pictures of your college time, there you go. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Bye.